Welcome folks. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my trade of the week that I have shared with VIP. Let me first show you what's going on in VIP. This morning, I made the announcement that every week I'm now going to be introducing a trade of the week. Now that could be for any instrument from a basket that I choose from. Could be a forex pair, a commodity, an energy, or an index. Okay, that's to help VIP continue to engage with price on their paper or demo trading account and become familiar with other markets and really become confident that the principles, concepts, and setups that I'm teaching work in any market. So that is a significant added value to members in this community. Now I'm also, as I mentioned to you before, working with a software firm to develop an AI tool that's going to be made available to VIP as part of their subscription at no extra cost, but it will be a separate fee for anyone that's not part of VIP. This tool is going to allow you to import any pair that the tool is monitoring, and the tool is going to be built with my IP, in which I use to identify the directional bias and be able to communicate a setup if there's a setup available for that particular pair. Okay, so that's also very exciting and coming to VIP as well. Now, we've already started to look at forex pairs. I mentioned to you in a previous video that I'm going to be introducing additional markets into VIP to add some more value. We've already started to look at those. We've got two forex pair setups that we're looking at. We've already executed one yesterday, pound yen. There was a nice short setup on pound yen that many students took advantage of on their paper trade or demo account. It's already moved down about 100 pips, and we're expecting that to move down more and expecting to close that out at its target for around 160 pips. Okay, so there's also another FX pair that I've also shared a setup for, which is our trade of the week, and I'm going to be going through that with you in this video. Okay, so that trade of the week has been posted in this video for VIP to look at, as well as what I am looking for in gold. We've had a very important trigger day in the gold market. We're expecting a very large range day today and or tomorrow. And so VIP have what they need to be able to take advantage of what's coming up in the gold market. Okay, so let me now walk you through the setup that I've shared with VIP, which is our trade of the week on the euro. Okay, so what I want to first alert you to, something that I've mentioned in previous videos, is that you've got to look at when a market has closed or broken a previous daily high and closed above there. Okay, so here on Wednesday, the market has closed above Tuesday's high. So what do we have there? Remember, I mentioned this before. We have breakout long traders in the market. Okay, now we have on Thursday, the market also traded above its previous daily high. Okay, Wednesday's high. So we have again breakout long traders in the market. Okay, and on Friday, we also have breakout long traders in the market, and we also have on Monday, yesterday, breakout long traders in the market. Now I went through this same example with you. I think it was on gold. Okay, where we had in consecutive days, 3-4 days, where breakout long traders were in the market. Okay, that is a very good indication where the market's pumping up, right? They're making retail traders buy at higher prices. Okay, that is for me a clear pump for the dump. Okay, so I'm expecting the euro to come back down to minimum its previous week's low, which is here, Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday, that's 29th of October, right? Down there, whatever that is, 107.60. Okay, now this is not a trade recommendation. Okay, you know what this channel is about. It's about teaching you how to identify future price movement by looking at current and historical price action. What do we see here? Right, we see historical price action showing us every single day from Wednesday onwards. We have long breakout traders in the market. None of those long breakout traders have been stopped out. Maybe here on Friday. Okay, because typically what happens is here on Friday, they could have been stopped out, okay, because on Friday we went below previous daily low, okay, because what happens when the market breaks out, right? So on Friday, the market's broken above Thursday's high. As soon as the market does that, that triggers breakout long traders into the market, okay, and what they do is they enter when that market breaks out, and they put their stops at the low of the previous day. Now, Friday is the only day in this particular week where you've had a close below a previous day. So there could have been some breakout traders who have been stopped out, possible. Okay, the market then completely reversed and stopped out anybody that was short from Friday who did not take profits when Friday broke previous daily low, meaning Thursday's low. Okay, sorry about all the mess. Let's clean this up a little bit. Okay, let's just go through those things again. So when a market breaks a previous daily high, that triggers long breakout traders in the market. Okay, now when those long traders get into the market, they have their stops below the previous day. So Friday actually also, after triggering long breakout traders into the market, then went straight down and stopped them out with this move down that went below previous daily low. Okay, and then Monday, right, yesterday, we went straight back up to stop out anyone that was short from Friday's highs, right, from that failed breakout. People would have also gone short, okay? And those folks who did not take profits at the break of this previous daily low on Friday, after taking it short on Friday, have now been stopped out with this pump up on Monday. Okay, but the fact remains that we have breakout traders in the market, right, from Wednesday. Okay, these folks have been stopped out. Okay, anyone that now has taken the long breakout on Monday, which broke out above Friday's high, the market hasn't come down to stop them out either, right? Their stops are below Friday's low, right? That's typically how these folks trade. Okay, and obviously, folks who are long from the low of the week, okay, or that's long on Wednesday on the breakout, their stops are at the low of the week at the moment, and they have been stopped out. Okay, so there's an expectation that this pump, right, that's gone through these previous daily highs, pump, is now ready to come back down to at least minimum previous weekly low. Again, it's not a trade recommendation. You're learning about price action on this channel, and I want you to monitor this price, okay, and maybe engage with price using your paper trade or demo account just to practice. Okay, now what else do we have that could help us align our thinking that this market is ready to go down? Well, let's have a look at the daily chart. Okay, this is where we start to look at higher time frame to make sure we are in alignment with higher time frame bias. So let's look at this higher time frame on euro. Okay, so let me make this bigger. So remember, there's two things that I ask myself when I'm looking at higher time frame to ascertain the directional bias. Where have we come from? Where are we going? Where have we come from? Where have we come from? You tell me. Look at the market. Well, firstly, a couple of things here. This move down, okay, has come into discount. So let's put a little box there, right? Fair value gap is a discount, okay? So internal liquidity, after internal liquidity has been reached, right, that objective has been met, the market then seeks external liquidity and or inefficiency in the opposing end. So if we go back up now, because we've come down into internal liquidity, this move up here, okay, has gone up where? It's gone up and done what? Taken liquidity in the opposing end, which is this, all the highs across here, as well as coming into this inefficiency, okay? Just tapped it, barely tapped it, okay? And then what I can see there is rejected, okay? Now, it still may come up there, okay? It still may come up into this level, right? But essentially, so let me just take it off there. So it still may come up into this level, right? But essentially, now that we've taken this liquidity on the left, we've taken external liquidity, okay? And I would say just touched into that fair value gap, although I'm not sure if it's really gone in there. It's basically rejected that level, now seeking liquidity and or inefficiency in the opposing end. And that is these lows down here. Notice that those lows are relatively equal because the low here on the right-hand side, okay, is higher than the low on the left-hand side. And what that means is there is low resistance liquidity, okay? Now, we still could get a bit of a pump up, okay? There's a lot of volatility expected today or every day for the remainder of this week, okay? We still could get a pump up before coming down, but my directional bias is to the downside, as I've explained on that 15-minute chart, okay? So minimum target for me on this particular setup, again, it's not a trade recommendation, right? Engage with price if you want to on a paper or demo trading account. Minimum for me is a move down to those lows, right? That is 107.60. That's where I think this market is headed. This is a trade of the week for VIP. I've given them the exact setup, what to look for, okay? So they know exactly how to engage with price on this particular setup using their paper trade or demo account. And this is something that I'm now introducing to VIP. We are going to be having a trade of the week every week. And that could be from a Forex pair, it could be a commodity, it could be an energy pair, it could be an index, right? NASDAQ, could be E-minis. So that's something that we're now doing every single week. So that's more value added into the VIP community, as well as the AI tool that is going to be developed. That's going to cover many major Forex pairs, as well as cross pairs like Euro Yen, NASDAQ Yen, AUD Yen, USD CAD, USD JPY, USD Swiss. So many markets will be covered by the AI tool. So a lot of value coming into VIP. Okay, the price has now gone up to $197 per month, but you still have an opportunity to get in before the next price hike of $497 per month. Okay, so again, I invite you to join VIP, lock in this new price. Once this price leaves and price is increased, then this lower price that's now currently $197 per month will never be offered ever again. Okay, now the AI tool that is being developed will be made available to VIP at no extra charge, but it will also be made available to members of the public at a monthly fee. I'm not sure what that fee will be at this point in time, but that's why I'm saying join VIP so that you can get that as part of your membership, and many other resources that are also going to be coming into VIP. Okay, so watch this market. Okay, watch the euro. This is our trade of the week. Again, make sure you're only doing a paper trader demo trading account if you want to engage with price for this particular setup. Okay, be very careful this week. There's going to be a lot of volatility, a lot of manipulation, as we do have US elections, and as well as a very heavy news calendar. Okay, there could be a massive spike in either direction this week. We could have a massive spike up to stop everybody out before coming down. Okay, so anything's possible. Okay, hope the video is useful. I want to talk with you in a future video.